Welcome, this is Jit Dolakia and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. Powerful thunderstorms hit Maine with hail, heavy rain and strong winds. Powerful storms are bringing hail, lightning, strong winds and heavy rain to Maine in US on Tuesday. Storms will continue to move east through the region on Tuesday morning and afternoon. The best chance for an isolated strong to severe storm will be through southern Maine and New Hampshire. There are chances for thunderstorms and downpours through the day on Tuesday due to low pressure in the upper level of the atmosphere moves over the region. The biggest threat that storm was localized flooding, especially with any slow-moving storms. At the corner of Witcher's Mill Road and Taxidermy Lane in Sanford, there was about 14 uprooted trees. One homeowner says the storm came through at around 9:30 a.m. local time. CMP is reporting over 2,400 outages. The majority are in York County. Showers and thunderstorms will re-enter the forecast late week. A few inland thunderstorms are possible as well. Hundreds of cars at a Sanford dealership were damaged by this big hailstorm. Some say the hail got as large as golf balls, and according to several pictures and videos on Twitter, enough hail fell in place including Arundel and Sanford to leave the landscape resembling a winter slush storm or a tornado zone. The National Weather Service in Gray posted a severe thunderstorm warning for Portland, South Portland and Westbrook until 10:45 a.m. local time. That warning predicted hail as big as quarters. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Jit Dolakia. For more weather updates like this, do like, share and subscribe for our channel.